Hey everyone, it's Anna from PNW Blanks and Sublimation, and today I am so excited to present our new product to our website, and that is PNW Project Kits. They are called Project Kits because that's exactly what you do. They're kits that you can sublimate, or there's going to be an option for painting. So it's just wood without the sublimation coating. And so you can do either one. You could sublimate it, you can paint it, you put it together, and you have this nice finished product to offer to your customers or even just decorate your house. So let's get started, and I'll show you what these new PNW project kits are all about. So this first kit is the interchangeable truck, and it comes with multiple pieces that you sublimate and then you put it together, and it has these acrylic pieces as well. So let's go ahead and sublimate, and I have everything on just one sheet of paper and just taping it down real well because I'm going to flip the whole thing over and press it. I love that I can press everything at once using my Cascadia Pro 16 by 20 press. The settings that work best for me are 385 degrees for 45 seconds and about medium pressure. So there's the fence, there's the spacer, there's the bumper, and there is our main truck. So the first thing I like to do is lay out all my pieces and get all the proper placement before I glue them down, because I use Gorilla Glue Super Glue and it's not that forgiving. So there's the Gorilla Glue, and put the acrylic pieces on. I just hold it for a couple seconds. It's kind of malleable for up to I would say 2.5 seconds. And then the other acrylic pieces have the 3M double-sided tape on the back. I'm just trying to get making sure it's all lined up here. And because once you stick those on, then they're on there for good. That 3M sticky tape is really good. Use a little bit of super glue. You don't want to glue the edges because you don't want it to sploosh out. And then we'll do our spacer up at the top, and then that's going to be the spacer that will allow us to have our little inserts. And then you only want to put glue on the bottom of the fence because that's going to hang up above the spacer a little bit. So now we have our beautiful finished truck, and then pretend this was one of our interchangeable inserts here, and you just stick it inside the fence like that and it holds it in place. Then the additional insert kits come with the insert, the rectangle for the back bed, and the license plate to go with any season. So that is our first PNW project kit. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments, and I will show you the other project kits that we are going to have available. We'll be doing tutorials on them. We have all kinds of things planned, and if you actually head to the website right now, then you'll see a variety of the different interchangeable bases that we have. So we have a door hanger, we have gnomes, and we have the truck for right now. Tons more planned. And then also the inserts will be coming soon, and then I'll be releasing more and more as the year goes by, as the seasons come up. So we have Valentine's Day, we have Easter, we have St. Patrick's Day, we have spring right around the corner. All right, that's it for now. I hope you guys are super excited about this new venture, basically, of PNW. And let me know what you guys think, and have a great day.